we thought of having any of a hobby kind of a projects on an Python, starting from basic to high end based live projects. So the very first one is like hobby project of converting text into a audio. So text to audio conversion, here we are using gtts, that is Google's text to speech converter. With few lines of a code we can have text to speech converter. Without wasting time, I am just jumping to a code. So at the very first line, I can just zoom in. I will just zoom it. At the very first line from GTTS, that is Google Text to Speech Converter, we are importing GTTS, that is a library which have been already available to access Google Text to Speech Converter. OS is for accessing the folders which have been present in your system or laptop. So here is the text what you are going to convert it to an audio. User defined, you can just give any of the things here. Hi, your name or your city or anything. Text to audio converter have been just given. User defined text, it need to be included in a single quotes, and the language to which it need to be converted to. So here we have been just having English. So the thing is simple. GTTS you have been imported. What you are going to convert here is the text, that is user defined my text variable. Which language you are interested is here. So slow, I have been just made it as a false. If it is true, the conversion of text to what is this audio will become at a slow rate. So if it has been true, so now it is false. So it is going to have a text to audio converter at a faster rate. So after doing this, converted object will be saved in a folder or a file name called audio.mp3. Extension is audio file. And you can just play it by using os.system. So I've been already told, in order to open and close any of the folders from an Python, we need this package os.system. What you are going to have this inbuilt system application audio.mp3. You can just run this in a PyCharm. So it has been converted
Text to
and it
audio
is being
converter.
displaying.
Text to audio converter.
So you can just hear this text to audio converter. So you can just change this text.
My first hobby project.
That's it. So like this, you can have your some kinds of simple projects like text to audio converter. You can integrate this to any of based projects. It can be object detection or it can be gender detection, any of the things. So this was like a simple project of having a conversion from text to an audio. So my next hobby project was like air pollution prediction. So based on some of APIs fetching, we need to just provide a city name and an API key to the program. So it will be just predicting the pollution level of that respective city. So for more information, you can join to the Telegram channel. The link will be provided in the description. Stay tuned. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.